Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna start up our 83 C10 four-wheel drive. Set the parking brake. Yep, that holds good. Got good sound and exhaust. There you can probably hear the heater fan. Cold wood heater fan running. There you see the oil gauge. You put an aftermarket gauge in it. Horn does not work. Blinker to the left. Blinker to the right. Your wipers. Got some good sound and exhaust.